Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk you through how to go directly to a message from received links on WhatsApp Web using the latest update. If you often find yourself looking for where a link was originally sent, this new feature is going to make your life a lot easier. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp Web on your PC and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look to the left side menu. You'll see a small icon that looks like a media symbol. Click on that. This section is where WhatsApp now gathers all the shared media, documents, and links you've received in your chats. Next, among the options that appear, choose links. Here you'll find every link you've ever received, neatly organized and easy to scroll through. You can quickly browse to find the one you're looking for instead of digging through endless chat history. When the list of links appears, move your attention to the top of the screen. You'll see a sort icon. Click on it and then choose the option labeled Others. This filters your view and helps you focus on all kinds of shared content outside the typical media files. Now, when you found the exact link you want to trace back to its original chat, simply right-click on that link. A small menu will appear with a few actions you can take. From there, select Go to Message. And just like that, WhatsApp Web will instantly take you to the conversation where that particular link was shared. You'll see the full context of the message, who sent it, when it was sent, and what was said around it. This update is incredibly useful, especially if you manage multiple conversations or receive dozens of links daily. It saves time, keeps things organized, and helps you reconnect with the exact moment that link first appeared in your chat. That's all for this quick guide. Try it out yourself and you'll see how much smoother link management feels on WhatsApp Web now. If you found this helpful, don't forget to share it with someone who might need it.